Most companies have SOPs. Files are complete. Procedures are approved. But on the shop floor, people still work based on experience. So the question is, why don't SOPs actually work where work really happens? Hi, I'm Sagar Naik, founder of Swades QMS and quality management consultant. In this video, we will understand practically why SOPs fail on shop floor, even in ISO certified organizations. And more importantly, how to make SOPs actually usable. Let's understand step by step. Almost every organization has SOPs. Documents are prepared carefully. Formats are approved. Files are maintained. Auditors verify them. But when you go to shop floor and observe work, operators follow their own method, not the SOP. This creates a gap between documentation and reality. And this gap creates quality problems. What SOP is supposed to do? SOP means standard operating procedure. Its purpose is simple: to make work consistent, to reduce variation, to ensure quality does not depend on individuals. SOP should guide work, not decorate files. If SOP is working properly, any trained person should perform the process correctly. That is the real objective. Why SOPs fail? Reason number 1, written away from shop floor. Many SOPs are written inside offices, prepared by managers or consultants, without involving operators. As a result, SOP describes ideal process, not actual process. Operators feel this is not how work really happens, so they ignore it. SOP must reflect reality, not theory. Reason 2, too much text. Many SOPs looks like legal documents, long paragraphs, complex language, difficult words. Operator do not read them. Shop floor needs clarity, not literature. Good SOP answers 3 questions quickly: what to do, how to do, what to check. If understanding takes 10 minutes, SOP will never be used. Reason number 3, no visual guidance. Shop floor learning is visual. People learn by seeing. But SOPs are often text heavy, without pictures, without diagrams, without flow. Visual SOPs works better because they match how people learn. Simple photos or diagrams increase usability immediately. Reason number 4, training is formality. Many companies conduct SOP training only for records. Attendance sheet is signed. Training completed, but understanding not verified. Operators forget quickly. Real training means demonstration. Show, practice, correct, repeat. Without practical training, SOP remains paperwork. Reason number 5, experience overrides documents. Experienced operators trust experience more than documents. If SOP conflicts with experience, they follow experience. This happens when SOP is not updated regularly. Processes change, machines change, conditions change, but SOP remains same. Then SOP loses credibility. Reason number 6, SOP not linked to daily management. SOP works only when reinforced daily. If supervisors never refer to SOP, operators assume it is not important. Daily management system connects SOP to daily work. Supervisors must use SOPs during reviews, problem solving, and training. Reason number 7, no ownership. Sometimes nobody wants SOP. Quality departments create it. Production uses it, but responsibility is unclear. Every SOP must have a process owner. Owner ensures updates happen, training happens, usage is monitored. Without ownership, SOP becomes static document. Reason number 8, SOP created for audit. This is very common. SOP prepared just to satisfy certification. Language copied from templates. Processes generalized. Auditors may accept, but operators cannot relate. ISO never asks for decorative SOPs. ISO expects usable procedures. So, what auditors actually look for? Auditors do not check SOP beauty, they check implementation. They observe, do operators follow defined steps? Do records match procedures? Do employees understand controls? If practice and SOP differ, non-conformity appears. Implementation matters more than documentation. How to make SOPs work practically? Let's see practical solutions. First, involve operators while writing SOP. Ask them, how do you perform work? Where do problems occur? What precautions are needed? Second, keep SOP simple. Short steps, clear language. Third, add visuals, photos, flow diagrams, checkpoints. Fourth, train practically, demonstration-based learning. Fifth, review SOP regularly. Update based on real problems. A practical SOP can include purpose, why process exists, responsibility, who performs, steps, simple numbered actions, key checks, quality or safety points, records, what to maintain. That's enough. No need for complex formats. Role of supervisors. Supervisors are key to SOP success. They must guide operators using SOP, correct deviations immediately, refer SOP during daily meetings, encourage questions. When supervisors use SOP daily, operators follow naturally. So let's understand link between SOP and quality culture. SOP success depends on culture. If organization values standardization, SOP works. If shortcuts are encouraged, SOP fails. Leadership behavior decides SOP effectiveness. When leaders respect process, team follow process. SOP is not documentation. SOP is knowledge transfer. It converts experience into standard practice. It protects organizations from dependency on individuals. It ensures stability. That is why SOP is important. SOPs fails on shop floor because they are not practical, too complex, not visual. Training is weak, ownership is missing, daily reinforcement is absent. When SOP becomes simple, visual and daily used, it works. Good SOPs do not live in files, they live in daily actions. If SOP guides work naturally, quality becomes stable. If SOP exists only for audit, problems continue. Focus on usability, not documentation volume. If you found this video useful, like this video and subscribe to Swades QMS. We will continue learning practical quality management in a simple way. If you need support in SOP development or ISO implementation, you can contact Swades QMS. Details are in the description. Thank you for watching.